Alright guys, I got another lock here for you tonight. It's a Pro 75 top security lock. Looks like a copy of the Master trailer coupler lock. It's pretty heavy duty. It does work. The telescope and the spacecraft will orbit Earth at a distance of 1,000,000 miles. Get you a look at the keyway here. Confrontation between police and people in a shanty town near Istanbul. Things taking a nasty turn after officers accidentally fired tear gas into a school. And if I can't single pin pick this lock fairly quickly, I'll try to rake it open for you. Raul Castro's $170 million plan to upgrade Havana's transit system starting to show visible results. The old buses, called camels, are being replaced by articulated buses built in Belarus and China. A ticket costs about 2 US pennies. United Kingdom. 2 Americans with a bakery in London's Soho district taking advantage of a rising interest in baking. The 2 Yanks are now teaching master classes in cake making. They say many people are getting into baking because the economy has them going out less often. Besides, it's an interesting pastime, and when you're finished, you get to eat what you made. And that's a wrap on this Fox trip around the world in 80s.
New spaces to work, relax, and unfold at a value that's simply refreshing. Courtyard. It's a new stay.
Well, Pope Benedict XVI brings his Holy Land pilgrimage to Nazareth, Jesus' hometown, celebrating the largest mass yet of his 5-day visit to the Mideast. Rena Ninen is live in Nazareth with more. Rena, good morning or good afternoon your time. There's been a lot of criticism towards the pontiff during his trip from people who live there in the Holy Land. What's it over?
Well, you know, there's been criticism. It was sort of expected, Megan. In fact, some of the Pope's closest advisors had told him not to make the trip because it's so difficult to please all sides here in the Holy Land. Israelis say the Pope wasn't sympathetic enough about the Holocaust. Muslims say he was too sympathetic. And even Christians in Gaza are...
There we go.
Because the Pope didn't...
Thought I had it. Plugs turn. Locks open. Let's try raking it one time. I used to be able to rake this lock open with one pass, but those skills have gone away.
This yellow one is for my postpartum depression.
And there we go. Raked open.
This one? Sciatica. Whatever that is. I got these after my hysterectomy. Or my prostatectomy, or stomectomy. And this guy is for the pain.
And here's a look at the key bitting again. Didn't see it.
For teens, getting drugs can be as easy as opening your medicine.
So yeah, this lock came out of my foreign padlock collection. It's top security. I don't think there's any security pins in this lock. Just regular key pins and regular driver pins. I don't think I've ever gotten a false set with this lock at all. So, alright, as always, have a good one.